The gift received from a friend can be expensive. You will have to pay tax on a gift of this much rupees. Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start to this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video must watch the video till the end. So let's start to this video. So stay with me till the end of the video. It is important for every Indian citizens to have the right information about taxes. Today tax has to be paid on everything from shopping to income. The amount indicates the limit. Perhaps very few people would know that you have to pay tax even on receiving gifts. However, the government and set the limit for this too. Let's know about it in detail. Tax is the government source of income. The government uses the money collected from tax for development in the country. Apart from this money is also used for expenses. These expenses include many things like salary of government employees, constructions of roads, expenditure on education, etc. GST was introduced to simplify the tax system. Apart from tax, we have to pay tax on different things as per the income tax rules like income tax, capital gain tax, etc. A similar tax is also levied on gifts. The purpose of imposing this tax is to prevent anyone from misapporting money in the form of gift of doing any wrong thing. Therefore, a limit has been set by the Income Tax Department on the value of the gift. Gift valued above the limit are taxes, but there is an exception of this as well as a meaning of this gift is given by a family member, then to tax will have to be paid no matter what the limit of the gift is. Tax is levied on gifts worth how much rupees? As per the income tax rule, this tax is levied when a gift is given by a friend or a distant relative. According to the rule, the amount of the gift should not be more than rupees 50,000. This gift can be in any mode like shares, house car, mobile phone, etc. If the gift is given by the family, then no tax will be payable on it. The family include parents, husband, wife, uncle, auntie, maternal uncle, and brother, sister, whatever. Why is there no tax on gifts given by family? Gifts received from family come under the purview of income clubbing. Hence, there's no limit on this. However, you will have to pay capital gains tax on the profit made from the gift like selling property, shares and gold, etc. How are gift taxed? Gift tax exemptions relative list. If you have received gifts during the year, you might assume they are all yours to keep without any tax implications. However, that's not always the case in India. Gifts above a certain value are subject to taxations under the Income Tax Act 1961. If the value of the gift exceed certain limits, it may be taxed as income other sources under the Income Tax Act. In the article, we will help you understand how gift taxation works, what types of gifts are taxable, what the thresholds are, and what exemptions might apply. How can I save tax by gifting? It is not possible to save tax by gifting. However, gifting by itself among relatives is non-taxable without any upper limit. And gift up to rupees 50,000 is not taxable in other cases. What is exempt from gift tax? Any gift from relatives are non-taxable. Any gift of other than relatives, friends, is tax-free up to limit of rupees 50,000. Such gifts can be in cash or in kind. Are gifts receiving during marriages exempt? Under the Income Tax Act, gift received by the couple and the event of marriage except those received into a cash a sum of rupees 2 lakh or more as provided under sections 269 STH is exempt. As soon as the festive season arrives, the round of gifts begins. People get a lot of gifts from friends, relatives, and family members, which convey the messages of love and good wishes. But do you know the tax rules apply of these gifts as well? It is very important for you to know about the gifts on which taxation rules apply. It is also very important to know how tax is levied on gifts and under which circumstances they are tax free. Now, GST will not be levied on gifts, cards, and vouchers, CBIC order. CBIC has clarified in its circular that GST will continue on vouchers like marketing, customizations, or commission based distributions, as these come as additional services. CBIC Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has recently issued an important order in which it has been clarified that gifts, cards, and vouchers, whether they have trading margins or any other type, will no longer come under goods or services. This means that GST, goods and service tax, will no longer be levied on them. Provision relating to stamp duty. Provision relating to considering the stamp duty value or similar to the provision as per as sections 50C. Let us discuss the provision for the purpose of gift tax in brief. For the purpose of computing gift tax, the case of immovable property stamp duty value is that what needs to be considered. However, stamp duty value can be higher due to varied reason, and one of such reason can be considered time gap between the agreement fixing on considerations and the date of registrations. Therefore, for the purpose of gift tax stamp duty value as the date of agreement, fixing the considerations needs to be considered in the following conditions are satisfied. The date of such agreement and date of registrations are different, and considerations either free or in part is paid by the way an account, pay check or bank draft by using an electronic mode of transfer through a bank account or before the date of agreement or transfer. Further, in case the taxpayer has questions are distributed the stamp duty value adopted by the Stamp Duty Valuation Authority as per section 50C. The tax offer is required to refer the valuations of the valuations officer, and view is required to call for records and give an opportunity for being here to the taxpayer. I hope you all like this video of mine very much, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video update. I hope that you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your prayers. Have a nice day. Goodbye and don't forget to subscribe. Individuals, it may be relevant to note here that while a gift from a defined relative is not taxable for the dancer's income, for such gifts may in some cases taxable in the hands of the donor itself. For example, clubbing provisions deemed owner, concept, the house, property, etc. Relative, spouse and brother, sister, the any person.